Okay, here's a problem inside Vegas Pro version 17 and a certain plugin which is installed. So if I edit this text and I want to add to this text an outline, notice if I add the outline to the text, it's making the entire image brighter. So now it has outline, the image is brighter. Now it does not have outline and the image is darker. Okay, so let's see how to avoid this problem. If I go up here to video output FX, here is the plugin itself, SeMW auto levels. This plugin is making the image more contrasty without losing almost anything. Okay, so this section, video output FX, which is up here, applies the effect to all of the clips on the timeline, and that's creating the problem. So instead of applying it here, let's uncheck it, so it's disabled from here. Instead of that, I should apply it down here. So right click on a clip, we have media effects and we have video event effects. Use media, I will explain it. So media, add it to this portion using this one and the plugin itself and add. Okay, and if I check it from here, let's use the same settings as in the above portion. Okay, and now it's applied here, but it's applied to each and every clip. So this one is called 00013, that one is called 0013, and it's applied to each and every portion, and that's because I use media. If I used video event FX, then it will be applied to only this cut, not to that one, not to that one, not to that one, although it's the same file. Okay, so let's analyze it. If I edit this text and increase the outline, notice now it's not increasing or decreasing the brightness of the entire image, only the outline of the text. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.